Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Now we are doing the third case, finding the average velocity. If velocity is a function of position. Now what I am taking? So velocity as a function of position is given as v is equivalent to 2x. What does it mean? When x equivalent to 0, velocity is 0. When x equivalent to 1, velocity is 2 meters per second. When x equal to 2, velocity is equivalent to 4 meters per second and so on. So it is a function of position. Now they are asking us, find v average from x is equivalent to 2 to x equivalent to 4 meters. Now how do you calculate in this case? Now we know clearly, look at here, velocity average is given as integral of v dx upon integral dx. Because I told you in the previous case, y is a function of x, then average value of the y for the duration of x particular interval. So it's a given like. So it's x equivalent to 2 to 4, of course. Now integral of v dx, substitute integral of v. What about v? V is nothing but 2x dx upon integral dx. Limits are from 2 to 4, 2 to 4. Hope you are following. So 2, we can bring it out. So integral of x dx. So what about this integral of x dx? 2 to 4, 2 to 4. Now v average is equivalent to, what is the integral of x dx? So use the formula x power n. Integral of x power n dx is, how do we write? Integral of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, isn't it? By following that formula. 2 into x square by 2, limits are from 2 to 4 upon integral of 1 dx with the same explanation. So integral of 1 dx here, what is 1? 1, this 1 can be written as x power 0. Anything power 0 equivalent to 1, right? So when you rewrite it, so integral of x power 0 dx is nothing but integral of 1 dx. Now in place of n, 0 is there. How do you write this? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is nothing but x itself. And with the same method, you can write even integral of x dx also, because it is 1 is there. So integral of x power 1 means x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So x square by 2 I wrote here. Okay. Yeah. Now it's nothing but x. Limits are from 2 to 4. Now 2 to getting cancelled. Substitute the upper limit 4 square minus lower limit 2 square upon upper limit 4 minus 2. So please remember, dear students, basic integration we should have idea. Yeah. So it's a 16 minus 4 upon 2. How much is that? 12 by 2 is nothing but 6 meters per second. So the average velocity in this case is 6 meters per second. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm giving you this for you. You please work it out. So I'm leaving to your part these questions. Now, if position is a function like given as 2t plus 4. Position as a function of time is given as 2t plus 4, and find average velocity. Find average velocity. Of course, if you so average velocity between position x is equivalent to 0 to x is equivalent to 2 meters. X is equivalent to 0 to, So, yeah, position average velocity between the time interval t equivalent to 0 seconds to t equivalent to 2 seconds. Now you can find the average velocity. Now the second example, if v is equivalent to t square plus 4. So find v average from t equivalent to 0 to t equivalent to 2 seconds. Now in the next example, if v is equivalent to 3x square plus 2x, find v average from x is equivalent to 0 meters to x is equivalent to 3 meters. So these three, I am leaving it to your workout session.